Let me ask you a question. Are you fed up with boring speech openings? Yes? Then keep watching this video. Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals. In this video, I want to share how you can make your speech opening more engaging and exciting. Your audience remembers the first thing you say and the last thing you say. Everything else in the middle just evaporates. So let's look at two kinds of openings. Opening number one. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is a pleasure to be here. I thank the organizers for inviting me here today. I'm here to share some tips on presentation skills. Stop! This is a boring way to open a speech. Opening number two. 30 years ago, I took a very crucial decision of my life. And that one decision changed the course of my life completely. It gave me a better standard of living, increased my earning 10 times, took me to exotic places, gave me an opportunity to make a difference in the lives of over 1 lakh people. And it also gave me an opportunity to meet some marvelous people. Would you want to know what was that decision? So, do you feel opening 2 would arouse curiosity and get the audience hooked? You bet. By the way, if you have any ideas on how to make the speech openings engaging and exciting, please share them in the comments box below so that others could also benefit from your experience. I hope you found the video useful. Yes? Then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting more cool videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. This is Rajiv Kumar Love, your friend, personal coach, and guide. I love making videos for you. I will be back with yet another video. Until then, take care.